Hi lovelies, in today's video you would learn how to log cells in Excel. Open up your Microsoft Excel on your PC, select all the cells or you press Ctrl A to select all cells. Then you right click anywhere and you select or click on Format Cells. Once the dialog box is opened, you click on Protection. Now you click on Logged and you click on OK. Now, all cells in this spreadsheet have been logged. You can choose to unlock the cells by selecting them. The same process we did is being selected. Right click, format cells, protection, then you uncheck the option locked and you click on OK. So that is guys, quick and easy. Make sure to give it a try and ensure to like and subscribe to the channel for more video tips. Thanks for watching. Bye.